This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Principles, Unit 5, Building Apps, Lesson 17, Building an App, Canvas Painter, Puzzle 6, the event parameter for mouse events. Yes. So let's talk about these parameters. We'd like to change the app so that when the user clicks on the canvas, we draw a circle right where they click. To do that, we need to learn more about the parameter passed by our event handler, which by default is called event. Recall that when we want to know what key the user pressed on a press key event, we check the value stored in event.key. The event parameter actually stores a great deal more of information about each event. Yes, it does. When using the mouse, the event parameter carries information like the location of the mouse, how fast it's moving, and some other things as well when it's over that game screen, right? Or the app screen. Let's get acquainted with the event parameter, okay? And what we can find out about the mouse. Do this. Add a console log command inside the function of your event handler. Use it to display the event parameter. Oh, okay, that would make sense. So we're going to grab console log, and then we're going to display everything in our event parameter. Somewhere along the way, I lost mine. It's not here, which would be a problem, because if I don't add it back, I'm going to go like this and hit run and click, and says, what? Where's event? So make sure you look, because you need to set it up as the parameter. And then, is there space? Weird. Alright, and then now I have event as a parameter. So if I hit reset and run and click, look at all this information we get. I'm going to go like that. Oops, that's not what I wanted at all. Look at all this info we get. Let's close that. It is a ton of stuff. So click X. I think that's the X location of the mouse. Type, click. Is the shift key clicked? Offset to, there's just so much info. What is this? How is this happening? Well, remember, our function here only runs when in the event of event. Our on event function is what's happening here is once we click on the canvas area, this function's going to run. So what's passing or what the event is the action that's triggering this, us clicking, the onEvent function that's triggering this function is passing a parameter, and the parameter is event. And that is all the information about our mouse. So it's passing that, and all that information is provided, and this function is going to go ahead and start going. And the event is used in all sorts of ways, and it contains all of this. So we can do event.key and see what keys are being pressed. All of these are properties of event, and we'll go more into it as we move along, I promise. Which values do you think hold the X and Y coordinates? What else is there? We won't use all of these, but it's interesting to see how much, once you've experimented a little, next level. Yeah, this is going to be super useful. Let's keep going.